Want this transition? Then watch this simple tutorial and straight to the point, so let's get on with it. First, arrange and trim your clips where you want to make the transition. Add your zoom in. I'll zoom out keyframes and graphs. Next, you're going to add this effect called dot silk screen. Add it on the timeline above the clip and follow my steps. Add a keyframe in the middle. Then add a keyframe in the beginning. And turn all the settings to 0. Copy this keyframe and add it in the end. Now we can see the halftone effect, but to make it even more better, add shake to it and follow my steps. Keyframes in beginning and end, and strength should be 0. The keyframe in middle should have strength according to how you want it. Then we will do the same thing with the flash, to make the transition look more better. It is very easy because most of transitions work this way, and I use this personally when I edit. And now you can just copy-paste all of these effects for your next clips. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.